Hi and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today we are making a super simple chocolate treat that everybody loves, and it doesn't require any baking, so you can whip it up in a pinch. You will need just a few simple ingredients. 2 cups of cornflakes, ideally 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. I have run out today, so I am using mostly bitter chocolate and a little bit of milk chocolate, and I'll let you know how it goes. You will also need butter at room temperature and golden syrup. Start by melting whatever chocolate you're using. You want to make sure that it stays in temper. So if you're using the microwave like me, then melt it in 15-second bursts and keep mixing in between till the chocolate is just about melted. Then add in the butter and mix until smooth. And finally, add about a tablespoon of golden syrup. Now gently fold the chocolate mixture into the cornflakes. At first it will seem like there's not enough chocolate to cover all the cereal, but don't worry, it will be enough, just keep folding it in. Scoop the cereal into some cupcake liners. I'm using silicone ones and they are amazing, I love them. The chocolate peels off of them so easily. But if you don't have any cupcake liners, then you can just scoop little clusters of the mixture onto some parchment paper. It will work great too. Try not to take too long to scoop the mixture into the liners because you don't want the chocolate to start setting. I am making mine pretty big, but if you are making these for a party or to give away in little gift bags, then you can definitely make them smaller and get about 20 out of this batch. Cover them and place them in the fridge for an hour. After an hour, the chocolate clusters are ready to be eaten. And as you can see, they pop right out of their silicone liners. And now for the taste test. Yummy! I think it works really well even with a mix of bitter and milk chocolate. So just use whatever chocolate you are in the mood for or whatever chocolate you have at home. Let me know in the comments below if you make these chocolate clusters and what chocolate you used for them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching!